Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to another episode of Culinary Adventures. Today, we're diving into a delicious showdown that will tantalize your taste buds and ignite your culinary curiosity. It's Egyptian Mahshi versus Iraqi Dolma, two iconic stuffed dishes from the heart of the Middle East, but only one can reign supreme in this battle of flavors and textures. Let's get started and see what makes each of these dishes so special. First up, Mahshi. Hailing from Egypt, mahshi is a beloved classic that has been passed down through generations. Imagine tender vegetables like zucchini, eggplant, and bell peppers, all meticulously hollowed out and filled with a fragrant blend of rice, herbs, and spices. Sometimes even ground meat joins the party, adding a rich and hearty element to the dish. The secret to mahshi's irresistible flavor? A zesty tomato sauce that brings it all together, infusing the vegetables with a tangy, savory goodness. Now let's talk dolma. This Iraqi specialty takes stuffed vegetables to another level. Grape leaves, onions, tomatoes, and bell peppers are filled with a savory mix of rice, ground lamb or beef, and a medley of herbs. The combination of these ingredients creates a symphony of flavors that is both complex and satisfying. What makes dolma unique? It's all about the tangy, lemony twist that gives it a vibrant kick and a refreshing finish. The lemon not only enhances the flavors, but also adds a bright, zesty note that makes each bite a delightful experience. Both dishes are a celebration of flavors and tradition, each with its own unique charm and appeal. But how do they stack up against each other? Let's break it down ingredient by ingredient and see what sets them apart. In mahshi, the rice mix is often enriched with dill, parsley, and mint. These fresh herbs give it a fresh and aromatic profile that is both invigorating and comforting. And when it's cooked slowly in that tomato sauce, the flavors meld together beautifully, creating a comforting and hearty dish that warms the soul. The result is a dish that is not only delicious, but also deeply satisfying. Dolma, on the other hand, brings a more complex flavor profile. The addition of allspice, cinnamon, and sometimes dried fruits like raisins or apricots adds a sweet, savory dimension that is both intriguing and delightful. The grape leaves themselves add a slightly tangy flavor, making each bite an adventure in taste and texture. Every mouthful of dolma is a burst of flavors that keeps you coming back for more. So which stuffed dish reigns supreme? It really comes down to personal preference and what flavors you enjoy the most. If you're a fan of zesty, tangy flavors with a refreshing twist, dolma might be your champion. Its vibrant and complex taste is sure to win over those who love a bit of zest in their meals. But if you crave a more aromatic and comforting experience, with flavors that wrap around you like a warm hug, mahshi could be your winner. Its rich, hearty, and aromatic profile is perfect for those who seek comfort in their food. Why not try both? Host a taste test with friends and family and see which one wins your heart. It's a fun and delicious way to explore new flavors and create lasting memories. Whether you're Team Mahshi or Team Dolma, one thing's for sure, you're in for a delicious journey that celebrates the rich culinary traditions of the Middle East. Got a favorite stuffed dish? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tasty battles. Until next time, happy feasting!